Hey, what's up, YouTube? We got a request to do a problem. The problem was solving the system by graphing, and the system was 7x minus 4y equals negative 8, and x plus 2y equals negative 14. So let's go ahead and start it. First thing we have to do is to solve both systems, and get them into y equals mx plus b. That's slope-intercept form. So we want to get them in y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. So let's start it up. First one, we have to subtract 7x from both sides. Subtract 7x from both sides, that's negative 4y, because these 7x's cancel out, equals, these aren't like terms, so you just bring it down, negative 7x minus 8. Divide both sides by negative 4. To isolate the y, it's going to be y equals negative 7 divided by negative 4. It's just going to be 7 over 4, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So we have 7 over 4x. It's better to keep it in a fraction because it's a lot easier to graph from a fraction than it is from a decimal. And then we have negative 8 divided by negative 4 is going to be positive 2. Over here we have x plus 2y equals negative 14. So we're going to subtract x from both sides. Subtract x from both sides. And that's going to give us 2y equals negative x minus 14. Divide both sides by 2. And y equals, remember there's a negative 1 in front of this x. It's the implied 1. So negative 1 divided by 2 is going to be negative 1 over 2x. And then negative 14 divided by 2 is going to be negative 7. So now both of these are in y equals mx plus b form, or slope-intercept form, where m is our slope and plus b is our y-intercept. So now that we have both of these in slope-intercept form, let's go ahead and graph them. Okay, so we'll start off, we'll graph the first equation. We'll say that's blue. Y equals 7x plus 2. Our y-intercept is positive 2. So we'll go ahead and put our first point at positive 2. And then we'll go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll also go the other way. We'll go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'll use my line tool and we will connect the dots. Okay, let me extend this one up a little bit too. Alright, so that's our first line done. Now let's go ahead and graph our second line in red. Our y-intercept is negative 7. So we're going to start at negative 7. And our slope is negative 1 over 2. Remember, slope is rise over run. So we're going to go down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. We can even go the other way too. We're going to go up 1, negative 2. Up 1, negative 2. Up 1, negative 2. Finish connecting our lines. Connect our points. And we get let's see. Right there, we see that the two graphs intersect at the point. Let's see, we'll use green. They intersect at the point negative 4, comma, negative 5. Right here. These two lines cross at negative 4, negative 5. They're equal at negative 4, negative 5. So we can write that as our ordered pair, negative 4, comma, negative 5. Okay, so that's how we solve this system by graphing. You can always check it by plugging this in for x, plugging negative 4 in for x, and negative 5 in for y. And if you solve it out, they should be equal. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below. If you have any other requests or questions, let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.